Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of Feb. The roles can be reversed also, and not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, or want to have personal healing or what we call that reading sessions? You can check out the description box, and you can find the links for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Scorpio, what we have. We have the Knight of Swords. So this is someone who feels like rushing towards you, coming towards you, and kind of charging on you in some way. Maybe fighting with you, maybe clearing the air with you, but something related to some kind of communication. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords. They're in a restless kind of energy, you can say. This person, okay, like my cards. What's happening, honey? What's wrong? Okay, I'm using my mom's cards actually. I forgot my cards in Mumbai. Let's see, let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. We have the Six of Cups and the Hanged Man and the Four of Wands. This is someone who can't stop thinking about how it used to be between you guys, right? And they're in the energy of seeing things from a different perspective now. Now they're understanding what they really feel for you and what they really want from you. They want this connection as it used to be at some point of time because they still consider you as somebody with whom they had a very deep rooted soul connection with. Have a, not had a. And now they feel like rushing back towards you again in order to save something here. For some of you, this is an ongoing connection, on and off, in and out, and this person wants to save this connection somehow. For others of you, this person is somebody from your past who wants a reconciliation, but they don't know how to do that. That is why they're getting restless. I'm sorry about this background noises. A lot is going on behind my back or like beyond this wall. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Ten of Cups. So from your side, you feel like you should have somebody by your side with whom you can see a future with. For some of you, you are trying your best to protect your marriage or commitment or a relationship, a long-term relationship that you had with somebody. You are trying your best to save it, protect it. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. We have the King of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like claiming your independence. You feel like uh, getting up and claiming your independence and doing whatever you can do from your side in order to protect an existing marriage and or commitment kind of a deal. For those of you who are single or who are kind of not in a deep relationship right now, you guys feel like working on yourself until unless you will be able to attract that kind of person towards you with whom you can find with whom you can have a family kind of dynamic with. Yeah, I'm not able to see. Okay, let's do this. Now I can see it. Yeah, good to go. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Fool card. Their intention is to have a breakthrough in the situation. This person wants to take the risk of coming back to you and reconnecting with you. Okay, let's clarify the fool in order to get the clear picture, Scorpio. See, one of you is kind of claiming their independence and working on themselves in order to attract the right kind of person. One of you is still stuck on the other person here and they want to reconnect, have a reconciliation as a lover, as a partner. What this person wants is they want to have a, yes, definitely this person wants to have a breakthrough. They want to let go of the manipulations, games. They want to wait for the right time, and they will be able to get out of this mental jail that they have created for themselves and for this whole connection as well, right? So it's like they want to have a breakthrough where they will be able to get out of all the ifs and buts and conflicts and confusions, and restart a chapter with you, restart a brand new chapter with you, with a fresh, clean and clear cut energy. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Let's see what we have. Two of Wands. So from your side, you just want to wait and watch. You are in this, and you're not in this energy of rushing towards anything or anyone, or forcibly like making things happen, or you are just in this energy of attracting, not chasing. You have other option or other options too in your life apart from this particular person or situation. So you want to take it slow, and you want to understand what's good and what's not that much good for you. Let's see, let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Chariot, the Magician, the Devil, and the Magician. Yes, you want to walk away from everything and everyone that's toxic for you, and you're manifesting this energy of universe. Please give me the strength and the courage to move on from everything and everything toxic and everyone toxic, and have a good life, have a good energy, have the right person, have the right kind of dynamics in my life down the line. This is your energy where you want something healthy, something beautiful, something that's going to stick around, something that is meant for you for this lifetime, something that you deserve and desire for. Okay, that's really cool. Pretty cool energy. Calm and composed and very sorted energy. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the what we have 16th of Feb, honey. We have the Page of Wands here. So I do see a brand new chapter opening up in your love and relationship area, maybe a friendship kind of deal, or maybe a situation reopening again. Let me clarify the Page of Wands. We have the Eight of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Page of Wands. It's like you're walking away from somebody, you're moving on from someone, your guards are up, but still somebody is going to enter in your life as a friend. Okay, as a friend only. I do see a brand new chapter opening up in your love and relationship area while you are moving on to the next chapter of your life. This brand new chapter is kind of just a start of something brand new in your life, just a start. You can say maybe a hi hello kind of a friendship kind of a deal, maybe somebody showing up unexpectedly, or maybe a friendship is going to convert into something little more meaningful. I don't see this as a same person that you're already dealing with. I do see this as someone new or newish. Newish, I'm saying maybe you already have somebody around you with whom you are having an on and off kind of connection with, but that connection have the potential to start in a very beautiful and positive way. For others of you, there are very high chances of somebody new entering in your life while you are focused, very, very deeply on moving on and just creating this beautiful space for yourself, right? That's pretty cool. For you, the guidance here is the Magician. You have to tell the universe clearly and very, very honestly exactly what you want in your love and relationship area. This is very, very important for you to give a clear cut understanding, clear cut statement to the universe that this is what I want in my love and relationship area. Exactly, this is what I want. Maybe a friend, a lover, a relationship, happily ever after. I want to focus on myself, whatever it is. Just make it very, very clear and honest with the universe so that the universe can take the necessary steps from its side. Yeah, cool. Thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.